So yeah, hello. Today I'm just gonna teach you how to make an easy Anvil launcher. So it's basically a piston that goes down and makes it into a falling entity. And so this is how it works. First, you need one button, 2 slime blocks, 4 redstone torches, 1 furnace. The amount of anvils you want to place to shoot it, so I would just take 64, whatever, and then blocks, whatever blocks, 2 sticky pistons, and a redstone dust. So first you're going to start off with placing 1 sticky piston, and then you're going to go actually I'm going to build it right here. So you're going to start off with 1 sticky piston, 1 slime block, and then you're going to come to your right, place 1 block, and 1 redstone dust on it. Place 1, 2, 3 blocks. So you should make this L, 2 blocks. Place 1 redstone torch. It's gonna activate this redstone dust. And then you're gonna come here, place 1 block over, and then place a redstone torch here. Your furnace on the slime block. You need to place your redstone torch here, a block, a torch, and a block. You're gonna make this sort of staircase, and then you're gonna place 1 block, 1 sticky piston over it, so the block, and then put your slime block. And then finally, place your button. So it should make this. So this one goes down first, and then pushes this one. So now you're just going to put the anvils, and now it should fall. And that. There it goes. So that's the anvil over there, this one. So see, it just launches the anvil all the way there. And that's how you make an anvil launcher. Bye guys.